Hello everyone. Our judicial system is often in news for negative connotations. For example, delayed justice, wrongful malified prosecution, and so on. This thing is more concerning about criminal justice system than civil justice system. In criminal justice system, there is a harsh reality, and this is a reality that sometimes wrongful arrest and wrongful prosecution and wrongful conviction happens. And one such judgment recently delivered in Allahabad High Court. This is a judgment this is a judgment. The case title is Upendra Balweer versus State of UP. Before going to this judgment, I want to give one quotation, not as it is, but it is a meaning of that quotation by Justice, retired Justice CJI, Mr. Ranjan Gogoi. He also said that court processes are tiresome for common people. So, this is this judgment. This is a 27-page judgment. This highlight the same thing. The process itself is a punishment. This is highlighted by Honorable Bench of Allahabad High Court. Illustration of this process is very much in this petition. This is about a man who was arrested in 2009 on dowry death of his wife. He was convicted by session court and he spent 13 years in imprisonment. And this is a serious thing because the his conviction was based on wrongful interpretation of Indian Evidence Act. In fact, Allahabad High Court highlighted that the interpretation which ought to take was in favor of accused. Even then, they took it in favor of prosecution. So Allahabad High Court made harsh remarks on why this happens, on this why this tendency of lower court is there. It says that a fear of senior court and a career prospect is, I will show you, career prospect is their primary motive than merit of the case. They consider a heinous crime with tiltation in favor of prosecution in heinous crime. This is a judgment. I am showing is bar and bench website. This is a judgment, and this is Allahabad High Court. See, in this judgment, Upendra Balweer versus State of UP. Trial courts often convict accused in case of heinous offences due to fear of higher courts, and even in clear cases of acquittal. So I want to go into this judgment. What are the important findings of this judgment? See, for two remarks made by in this judgment, two remarks made by the High Court, that with it is it in favor of merit or fear of senior court, and compensation. The state should make a law on compensation of such victim, because such victim get ostracized when they come into society and family, and the economic, social, all issues they faces because of wrongful prosecution and long years in jail. So a trial court, this was observed by High Court. SC also made observations on malified prosecutions. Law Commission, this is actually not reported in this judgment, but Law Commission has also made a report on, in its report in 2018, 277th report of Law Commission has recommended a law on compensation of accused who is wrongfully prosecuted. So what Allahabad High Court even observed that much high BNSS, that is Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, in that there is no provision on compensation of such accused. This provision must be there in consonance with Article 14 and Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. So this is all about this 27-page judgment, and other all factual things, but this is a crux of the judgment, and this is an important observation by the honorable court. Thank you for watching it.